Yep, sanibonani bafethu. Please like, share, subscribe to my YouTube channel. Follow me on TikTok. Follow me on Facebook bafethu. Yeah, bafethu, this is Lucas Ribeiro abamaziyo bamazi Speed Point iplayer eliyenze umlando ku-PSL within 2 years, then after what decide ukuhamba. Bafethu Ribeiro, when was leaving South Africa, he said he wanted to play for the top 5 leagues in the world, but as things are, angiboni ukuthi Ribeiro will play for the top 5 leagues in the world. You know why? Today he was subbed off within first 30 minutes of the game. Remember guys, le team ayidlalelayo number 18 or number 19 or number 18 iku relegation zone. If back substitute in the first 30 minutes and you are a star player, what does it mean? Mind you, bekangekho injured kulika Ribeiro. If ungezobathi bekane injury, he wasn't feeling well, it's just an excuse. Yabo, and another thing bafethu engifuna ukufundisa abantu ngayo, ama team ku top 5 lawa adlala ku ama team aku top 5 ema league, kule league top 5, England, Germany, Spanish, La Liga, what they don't just buy a ill-disciplined player. Ribeiro is ill-disciplined. You know why? Alikho player elizikhethela ukuthi hayi angisafuna ukudlala manje noma line contract sengifuna ukuhamba mina yahamba. Ama team ayabheka ukuthi wow, angeke sikhona ukuthenga umuntu oyenza so uzo influence ama player ukuthi ayenze lento. Angeke simthenga umuntu kanje yabo shoot uRibeiro mangafuna ukujima kafuni iplayer elinjalo. You can't say hayi ujima every day. No, ubonile ukuthi ku Sundowns hambe njani, ubonile uzikhethele without telling anyone or abuza iclub ukuthi ngicabangani wazihambela. So you think la khona uyahlonipha na? Mind you, kuyo leyo team adlalela yona uye I1 obeka ku Club World Cup. Kuyo yonke le division le yadlala kuyo kule league le yase Spain, League 2 or in, uye I1 iplayer beli ku Club World Cup. Obvious uzoba ne pride lo muntu. So bafethu, if uyiplayer elincane elibukele ku Ribeiro, thathe zonke izinto azenza egroundini but ungathathi lezi zinto lezi ezibi. Don't listen to your agent. Your agent will always choose money. Danko.